Alright, so 9 inches. So it's 9 inches. Still coming down hard. Yeah, take me to Cali, please. I love the snow and all, but I hate being in it though. Now, obviously, the best part about this is, you know, no school, but you still got a shovel, people. Look at this. It looks beautiful, I know, but it's nothing to play around with. I'm looking for the shovel. The shovel is a little too, it's too thin. I want something a little bit more wider so it can pick up more snow. Damn, where the fuck is that shovel, man? I don't know, man. Fuck it, I'll use this one. I checked the garage, but I didn't check the front. I checked the back. Alright, going through the garage. Our garage is like messy as fuck. Oh shit, I'm dropping shit. I literally gotta climb over shit. If I'm busting my ass, I'm busting my ass on camera. We always say we was gonna clean it up, but I don't know, man. My family, they like to keep old shit, so we don't like throwing shit out. I don't know why. I'm trying to figure out what's these things here. Oh shit, that's not it. Still didn't find that shovel, but see what I mean? Like, it's not getting the full sidewalk. Shout out to Len God, he found the shovel. Woo, he came to the rescue. I was getting tired. So yeah, so you guys see what I mean? The shovel, that shovel kind of gets more of the snow instead of just being so thin. So when you in this kind of weather, man, you gotta sit back, warm up, take a couple of breaks, because your hands, man, your hands, your hands just feel like, you know how something is cold and it's just like, it's so cold that it hurts. Alright, Len God is out. He gotta head up to work. You know, be safe out there. I wiped off his car to kind of save us some time. Oh man, it's hard to vlog in this kind of conditions. Yeah, how you close the garage? It's you put in the passcode? Damn, man, it's no.
You know what it is? It's a little doorbell button. You can just hit it. Matter of fact, do it right now.
Yeah. Alright. It's a doorbell button. Alright, enter. You said a doorbell button? Oh, to my. Oh shit! Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it right here. Oh shit! Shit about to cut my head off. Fuck! There's mad shit on the ground. What the fuck? Alcohol here? What the fuck going on here? All right. The beauty of four-wheel drive. Man, look, neighbors shoveling. Yeah, so I gotta do my part. Baby! I love you so, the way that you do. And you know what's crazy? The parts that I shoveled, it's already building up again. So, but like I said, it's better to start it than to not start it, and then either way I gotta have to shovel the old snow before the new snow comes in anyway, and it's not gonna look too bad. Alright guys, so it stopped snowing. It's finally stopped snowing, so I can show you guys. We can have a little fun. I'm gonna jump here. Guys, just look at this, yo. I can't even open up my window. I swear, if I open up my window, look at that. Basically touching it. Make it indoor. Yeah. That's the best news ever, man. My school just called saying classes are canceled for tomorrow. I just have to add that in there, man. I'm happy as hell. Man, my mom gave me the phone. You should see my reaction. I should have turned on the camera faster, but damn. I'm happy as hell, man, because tomorrow, Friday, is my 4-hour class. It's a long class. It's snow on the ground. I don't want to be messing around with that, man. So I'm happy that I'm home tomorrow. I just have to add that in there real quick, man.